Connect the turbo outlet sensor 60H to the intercooler pipe 3, 60G. Then connect the end of pipe 3, 60G to the pin on the turbo 1 to 2, 8E. Connect the intercooler pipe 1, 60E to the lower pin on the intercooler 59A. Then, check the position of the parts in the image and fit pipe 2, 60F to the other end of pipe 1, 60E and to the end of pipe 3, 60G. Connect intercooler pipe 4, 60I to the pin on the left throttle housing 10J. Turn the chassis over and connect the end of the intercooler pipe 5, 60J to pipe 4, 60I as shown in the image. Then connect the other end of pipe 5, 60J onto the pivot on the intercooler 59A. Remove the NOS tank bracket 54K. Connect the two NOS tank pipes 60L to the two pivots on the NOS tank bracket 54K. Connect the other ends of the two pipes to the two pivots on the NOS connector 60K. Return the NOS tank bracket 54K to the highlighted pivot on the left engine bay panel 49A. Then insert the NOS connector 60K into the highlighted hole in pipe 4, 60I. Connect one end of the vacuum hose 60D to the pivot on the intake sensor casing 10D. Connect the other end of the hose to the highlighted pivot on the intake pipe 8C. Align the three holes in the right stabilizer bar bracket 60C with the three highlighted holes in the right engine bay panel 55A. Then secure the right stabilizer bar bracket with 3 IM screws. Align the three holes in the left stabilizer bar bracket 60B with the three highlighted holes in the left engine bay panel 49A. Secure the bracket with 3 IM screws. Finally, place the upper stabilizer bar 60A on the left 60B and right 60C brackets and secure it with 2 FP screws, as shown in the image. Check the shape of the parts in the parts image for this issue and identify the left floor carpet 61B. Remove the protective backing from the adhesive side. Align all the holes in the carpet, the ridges in the floor, and fix the left floor carpet 61B to the left side of the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A. Remove the protective backing from the adhesive side of the right floor carpet 61C and fix it to the right side of the front floor of the passenger compartment 61A. Remove the protective backing from the adhesive side of the left tunnel carpet 61D and attach it to the left side of the tunnel floor of the passenger compartment 61A. Finally, remove the protective backing from the adhesive side of the right tunnel carpet 61E and attach it to the right side of the tunnel floor of the passenger compartment 61A. Begin assembly by removing the protective backing from the adhesive side of the left side carpet 62H. Fix the carpet to the left side of the passenger compartment floor 61A. Remove the protective backing from the adhesive side of the right side carpet 62I. Fix the carpet to the right side of the passenger compartment floor 61A. Connect the left footrest 62E to the highlighted pivot in the passenger compartment floor 61A. From left to right, connect the clutch pedal L62B, the brake pedal R62C, and the accelerator pedal 62D to the ends of the pedal arms 62A. Align the hole in the pedal arms 62A with the pivot in the front left of the passenger compartment floor 61A and secure the part with an AP screw. Turn the assembly over and align the front left footrest panel L62F with the front left of the passenger compartment floor 61A. Secure the footrest panel with 2 CP screws. Align the front right footrest panel R62G with the right side of the passenger compartment floor 61A. Finally, secure the footrest panel with 2 CP screws.